I'm Gaia, and I'm the Executive Director of Wild Abundance. And I'm here to share some really exciting news with all of y'all. After years of dreaming and visioning and many months of diligence, Wild Abundance has established a nonprofit arm. Our Social Responsibility Fund has two main initiatives that we're excited to share with y'all today. The first has been in play for a long time, our scholarship program. But now, with our 501c3 status, you can make a tax-exempt donation to support historically marginalized communities in taking the classes and learning the skills that we all value so deeply. The second is inspired by action we took in the wake of Hurricane Helene. Many of y'all donated so that we could build and give away tiny houses to those affected by the natural disaster that devastated our region. This work was so fulfilling that we've decided to expand upon that initiative. Our goal is to focus our carpentry apprenticeship program on building, finishing out, and then giving away a tiny house to someone who is experiencing housing insecurity. The mission of the Wild Abundance Social Responsibility Fund is rooted in education and local resiliency. Below this video, you'll find information on how to donate and get involved. Thanks for watching.